Thousand Eyes is a song that, it was one of those songs that came later on when we were gonna kind of go our separate ways and work. And that's actually a song that I found, I kind of do this, I think might be weird, but I have, on my computer, the way I collect ideas is that I use the photo booth. So like in a lot of times I can just go through photo booth and I, find myself like seeing something.
So if you want interesting interviews, interesting material of Nanna, then hack into her computer.
Oh my God, no!
Yes.
But yeah, it was like an idea that I found there that I had actually just been listening to this, there was this orchestra song pretty much, and I started singing over it kind of, and it kind of came from there. Then we started working on it, and it just kind of became this monster.
Yeah, and it's a song about transformation.
Yeah.
And it sums up the transformation on the album, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a big part of the lyric, the whole lyric.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
And with the lyric, as the lyrics transform, the music transforms as well.
Mm-hmm.
There's this pulse that kind of takes over the song.
Yeah, like you start very small and insecure, and in the very end, it's like undo the storm because you're afraid of it. You don't want it, And in the end, I am the storm. So it's like you're taking control. You're like, kind of owning it. And yeah, so the whole song is like a storm. It starts off, like we recorded the river here outside.
Yeah.
So that's the beginning of it. And at one point we were kind of just let loose in the studio.
Yeah, we just roamed around the studio and banged into everything we could find.
Yeah, like crazy people.
There was a little therapy session. And
yeah,
we recorded everything. And then you can, it's a headphone song, I think. You need to kind of listen to it a lot and, hear all the little different noises here and there.
Yeah.
Yeah.